Hello, my magical beings. My name is Alpha Mystic. Are you ready to explore the inner world, the outer world, all the worlds, all the dimensions together with me? By the way, I'm looking snaky today and I have real snake skin, shed skin. Don't worry, it's from many years ago when I was a child. I went to the zoo and a lady just gifted me and I did a snake tattoo a few weeks ago. So, by the way, oh, it all makes sense now. I was drawing today because I had a dream where two pythons, two huge snakes, one was brown and another was yellow, and they ate each other. I just felt that it's wrong, it's not okay. And I felt the hunger, and this is what I'm experiencing now. Not really in the best situation I am now, but we are strong, we are the world, we are the universe. Every pain, every low and up experience is precious. We will turn it into gold. We are the alchemists. When we feel pain, we have fun, we create. We are the artist, we are the creator. Let's go. Okay, I want to mention firstly that you have to say who you are. It doesn't matter where you are, you always say it out loud. Don't hide your title, don't hide your identity. Everything should be out. That's why we are here. That's why we were born. On that level, when we are on the experience of an energy without the physical body, we don't hide things there. We flow and we understand and we identify others through the feeling, through the expression, but without looking at the physical shape. Here it's more harder than on that level. Hello. I also feel like this autumn will be busy.
Yeah, definitely. See you.
See you. You see, people know me. It's so important to say out loud who you are because it creates an idea. Yes, I have to read this because this is my, okay, this is my journal. I do whatever I want here. It creates an idea of what you do, how you and others perceive you. Also, it helps to attract your tribe, to find your people, your community, to attract the clients. So tell them whatever you are, tell them about yourself. It doesn't matter if it's a new job or new school, new opportunities. You always have to present yourself freely. Always present yourself. Not someone, not your parent, not your friend, but be you. I know it's not always easy to be you because in some situations there is a strict idea of what you should be. For example, when you apply for a job, you have to be this and that. If you're not fit in this box, goodbye. I faced a lot of this situation. Even yesterday, when I was applying for a new job, they just said, we don't want to see you anymore. I was working there, but they're like, no, we don't want to see you again. Many reasons. The way I dress, the way I talk, the way I look. I have piercings, I have something else. I don't take it personally because I'm being me. If you don't like it, it's not my problem. 1st May 2023, Monday. I was thinking about what black magic spells were put on me in this life. And I just wrote some spells, let's call them spells, that were put on me by society. First black magic spell is shut up. I was told to shut up for so many years in my life, especially when I was a teenager, a child, till the last day at school. Shut up. Because they said that my voice is feminine. Why the fuck you speak like a girl? Who are you? That my voice is ugly. Why you behave like a girl? So also about the expression. Don't move your hands because this is how the girls act. And be a boy, dress like a boy. Shut up and don't move. Hide. You have an ugly body, ew, you're so skinny, gain some weight, muscles. And I was put into comparison so many times, not just by the teenagers, but also by the friends of my father. Hello. Oh. Anyway, as a little boy, as a little girl, they down, whatever, you can't really speak for yourself. Some kids do, and bless them. They're just amazing. If someone can protect themselves from the young age, wow, that's a leader or a destroyer. The time will show. The time will come and we will all see who are they in reality. I wasn't this strong because I was bullied for every part of my existence. Also for my art, that you always draw these ugly creatures, stop drawing them, so many restrictions. I was really in a cage. And at that day, when I was writing it all down, I realized I was crying. It was such a healing moment. I realized that I suppressed myself to fit in. They told me they don't want to see me. Everything I do also burn it, leave, you don't belong here, especially with the boys. So I don't even know how to communicate with them. It was the result of this. I was escaping them for many years. It's just a big story, you know? A story of my life. Now I'm okay. I'm great with the boys. I can have fun with them because I also fuck with them. So it's not a big deal now. It was. It's a healing. It's a process, you know? Life is a journey. It's painful. It's all the spectrum. It's colorful. It's also happy, it's joy, it's ecstasy, it's all these dimensions we can explore through this physical life. Then I realized it's not about gender, it's about freedom. To break this spell. This is how I broke all the black magic spells that society put on me. I put a spell on you because you're mine. At the end, I decided to make a new agreement based on my truth. All the black magic spells the society put on me, I decided to change them. Not erase it, because you can't erase. You can transform the energy, you can't destroy it. So all the ideas, all the not beneficial for my future evolution beliefs, I transformed into gold. How? You make a new agreement based on your truth. If they told me that my body is ugly because I'm skinny, I need to gain some weight, and my voice is ugly because it's feminine, and the way I look, I have to kill myself, and just everything they said, I took my pen, because this is how I heal myself. I journal, and I see all these black spells, and I understand that they don't match with my truth. My voice is beautiful, my body is amazing. I started to accept my body just a few years ago. All these years I was still bullying my body. If they don't bully, I bully, because this is how they programmed my mind, that it's ugly. You have to change it. I was always in this constant fight with myself. The voice is ugly, body is ugly, my art is ugly. My existence, you don't belong here. Leave the society. Don't speak with us. Oh, guys, there is just so much. There is a huge list like this. Oh, this is what society told me not to do. Everything about me. They will find anything. The color of your eyes, your nose, your ears, your lips, your fingers, your hair, your color of your skin, everything. This is global programming of our consciousness, that we have to compare each other through the negative prism. Comparing is not bad. This is how we see that, oh, I am different, they are different, they do their stuff, I will do my stuff. And also the idea of separation. Everyone in spirituality says that we are one. There is no separation, it's a lie. Yes, it's true, but also we have to have this idea of separation, because only through this idea we can see that we are different. Most of the times when I am journeying with the magical mushrooms, I'm having mystical experiences where I am being in a position of a primordial, prehistoric human that arrived to the planet Earth, maybe first, maybe second, it doesn't matter, but I am alone. and I explore the land, I explore this world through the prism of a human that arrived to the earth with my level of consciousness, but it's my first time. Everything is never seen before. Even the way I act like an animal, because what is this? What is that? There is the smell, the colors. Everything feels primal, like I am really experiencing all this physical world for the first time, because mostly I focus on the inner world. This is where I have this deep journey. And then when I return, what is this? Not in a way that, oh, it's a stone. not this way, but really like, how do I act in this physical world? What is this? And there is no fear. Everything is love. I touch all the places that I won't touch in my conscious state. But it feels so right because it allows me to understand and to remember what is a human being, what is our kind. When I communicate with the plants in that state, with the earth, with anything, I see that this is not me. Not even being aware of my physical body. I don't know what is my face, and I can't see myself. I see the plants, everything around me, just something inside of my head is telling me, oh, it's something, I don't know how to name it, but it's not me. It's just the feeling that I am separate from them. It's the separation that is telling me that I am not this kind. I am not a flower, I am not a tree, I am not a stone, I'm something else. And I don't know what am I? I can't see myself here. Even without knowing what is my existence, without having a mirror. And then I took my phone to check the music, and there was Sting playing, and there was his picture on the label, and I was like, who is that? I feel like them. Again, even without the awareness, I just like, who are they? I want to know them. Always mushrooms take me back to that time when the first human arrived. Because they tell me that you have to remember the roots, you have to analyze how we communicate with the world, what is important for us. And that journey was so precious, because I discovered that under our earth, above this length, there is completely another energetic field, another layer. As I said, I was brought to this planet, and firstly, I spent I don't know how many years, because time is so subjective, especially in the layers of energies. It's different to this physical world. I spent some time in that layer under the earth, and then by my choice, because there is a choice, Mother, Parent, Nature is giving you a choice, and it's a law for everyone to appear here. It's your choice, it's your decision. And I decided to take a risk, because also it's a huge risk to become a human, because on that layer you don't think about survival. You are protected by the Mother, by the Parent Earth. Everything is love, everything is happiness. It's pure vibrations that every human wants to experience here. And because most of us experienced it before on different layers, maybe on different planets somewhere, we had this pure flow of the energies that we prefer, and then we become a human, and it's not that easy to stay on that level of pure energy. You suffer, you experience pain, you struggle. Everyone is struggling with something. I struggle financially, and I am working on this. I go through this. It's painful, it's heavy, but everyone, really, everyone has their own type of struggle. And from that experience to this, wow, really full spectrum. And it's not easy. You have to be like a snake. Back to the snake. It's all about the movement from that side to this side, from that side to this side, and also being playful like water, taking all the shapes, all the elements are here for us to learn from them. Water, you can be a waterfall, you can dive very deeply into the ocean where it's so dark you see nothing but you explore yourself. You can be a river, you can be the rain, you can be different states. With the wind you are tornado or you are inhale and exhale, different states of the elements. They all tell us that, honey, it's not easy. You will experience all these states. You are human now. You decided, it was your choice to appear here on the planet of Earth. Not just on the planet, but on the surface. So many tears, so many love, so much gratitude for the Earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you for taking care of me while I was on that layer. It's getting darker and darker. You see, you never know what to expect. Time is so distorted because I am in the flow when I make videos, and it's also sometimes channeling, so time is so distorted. Life is a journey. Time is all we have. Beautiful phrases. Remind yourself of how precious you are, how precious your time is. Your time is your life. Your life is your journey. This is your experience that you will take, that you will keep at the end, when you will transfer, when you will transform to something else, into another world. It's all about movement. Be a snake. Be playful. Any animal. If you have a spirit animal, tell me, what is the animal? What is your power animal? Maybe it's a cat, maybe it's a crow, maybe it's a frog, maybe it's a fish, dolphin. Tell me how you feel. Thank you so much for being here with us, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Sending you all my love. Mwah, I love you so much.